Hey guys, Julie Willits here, and today I'm going to show you how to actually segment your list in Aweber. So you come to your current list and you can go to anyone that you may have. Alright, this one I'm going to work on, and you're going to go to subscribers and manage subscribers. Now you're going to need to know, if you have some type of a legacy series, what number does it end with? Now I'm using this kind of a segment for people that have finished my legacy series and are now going to receive broadcasts. So I want to be able to separate them. And you can use any of these as far as the segments, okay? So I'm going to actually go to last message number, and then you can go to any of these that applies to what you're trying to accomplish with the segment. But my particular list for this is after message number 27. And then you hit search. And then you can save as segment, finished follow-up series. And there you go. Now when I send a broadcast out to my list, I will actually be able to send it to the people that have only finished the follow-up series, and it will not go to everyone on that particular list, because we don't want to confuse people. We want them to, open our emails, but if we start really just like blasting them continuously and sending them a bunch of emails that don't even make sense and are not congruent, then your message is going to be totally lost in translation. So I think it's very important. I mean, there's a lot of other things I probably should be doing in Aweber, and they have a great customer service for the help desk. They have lots of different knowledge topics, and they walk you through everything step by step, and that is why I love using Aweber. I used GetResponse in the past, and they have updated their site. I mean, it looks great, but it just doesn't seem as user-friendly to me as Aweber does. So if you're looking for an autoresponder, and this is something you have been thinking about, then maybe you should test Aweber, and because they do have a free trial to get started, and then depending on the amount of subscribers thereafter that you have is what they charge on a monthly basis, and I believe the lowest pricing is $19.99. Don't quote me on that because it's been a while. Okay, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, I really want to welcome you, and I want to thank you for watching. I like to keep my videos short. People's attention span is not very high these days, so keeping the video short to me and just giving a little piece of information that I can share with other people to help them in their journey or somewhere along the way is great for me. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.